Yes, man.
You a big idiot, man. You one of the biggest idiot me ever buck up on. You an idiot. Yo, you an idiot, you know.
I must applaud this young man. Some people want to be lawyers, doctors, teachers, engineers, ballers, rappers. But the man go and choose one profession outside of the box. That is probably outside of another box, outside of our next box. The man wants to be a professional antsness. And by God, he is doing it. Follow your dreams. And while me I applaud him, I am not impressed. If I did one worseness now that he wants to become, that would impress me. I would personally have to recommend that this man get a doctorate. But with the antsness thing, the best me can do for you is a degree in idiocy. And we see say you have a dog, we see say you have money, and on your shirt it says I have a heart and not I have a brain. Because the lie detector test would determine that was a lie. Here if you come to Jamaica, don't take up a couple of ants put in your mouth. Before they reach in your mouth, them a bite you. You hear? Some no kind of fool ants and they just walk around in your mouth like they don't have no sense, they don't know what to do, they don't know what their mouth supposed to do. This is their people. Thank you for your videos and your video suggestions. Hit the like button, hit the share button, definitely subscribe. This is Kevin Too Crazy. You think it, you believe it. Don't try to be a professional antsness if you achieve it.